Alright, so for today's video, very grateful because we were invited by BJ. No? This is a fellowship round that we will be playing. So, people might be curious, bro, ano naman ginagawa mo ngayon?
Nako, marami. Luigi, I have 5 children. Definitely, we need to provide for the family. So, I'm still into sports, and bread and butter is really going into construction. So that's what we do. I'm a waterproofing contractor, and a lot of responsibilities in sports. We're bringing in technology from different countries. We're also into sports app development. So there, no, construction and sports. I'm a third generation contractor. So yun yung hanap buhay ng parents ko when I was growing up. So yan ang exposure, and definitely sports.
Yan. Lagay mo naman, mention mo naman bro yung company para lalagay natin yung link down below.
Our waterproofing company is Castley Waterproofing. Our website is castleywaterproofing.com. So if ever may kailangan ng tulong sa to protect structures from water damages, so just contact me.
Ayan, so I'll just put the link down below so connect with BJ.
Yes,
so,
sir. Thank you.
If curious kayo kung anong ginagawa ni BJ, very successful business owner. Yeah. Thank you, brother. Sa,
Thank you.
Pag-ayos ng ating
thank you so much.
Fellowship.
Yeah. Our privilege.
Playing with sila BJ Manalo. He arranged a fellowship. It's not really a tournament, it's just a fellowship round. So here in Villamor. So playing with new friends so that we can network. Here in Villamor, we're starting the friendly round sa hole number 10. Ayan, so playing with new friends, si Dustin, sa 10th hole kami, sa Blue Tees, 386. Ayan, playing with sila Irvin. Say hi to the channel. Ayan, si Irvin, si Bryce, sila Mikey. Ayan, so 10th hole. Yes, exactly. Ayan, so kami magkakasama sa aming flight. So hole number 10, it's playing 386 yards. Oh, enjoy lang. Good luck, brothers. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. Okay. Kalig lang. Kaliwa. Ayun, bumalik, bumalik. Sa ilalim ng puno. Galing. Nice shot, Mikey. Shout out sa aking caddy, si Kuya Bong. Kuya Bong, pasuyo ha, papavideo ko. Yan, tututok mo na lang. Wala ka nang pipindutin. Okay na. Kahit ano mangyari, good shot.
Shot!
For right! For right! That was a terrible second shot. Open na open, although the line niya talaga will go right. Left with 100 yards. Hopefully I can hit it above this tree. Hitting my 60-degree wedge.
Shot! Oh, on! On.
At least patong. Pating pat. Okay, I still have this par putt. Ito pala. Par putt. Right to left. Gano'ng kalaki sa kanan? Bigay mo dito kay Bong.
Kalahating grip lang.
Kalahating grip lang. Plus 2. Uphill, side hill. Pero patting ball. Alright, so hole number 11. Currently I am 1 over for this fellowship round. Hindi siya kasi talaga tournament na in-arrange ni BJ. So it's playing for 103 yards. So siguro goal na lang for this round is to try to first ever break 80 dito sa Villamor. Last rounds ko kasi dito, it was 2-man scramble, yan, with Mikey. Tapos the previous one was a tournament pero we were playing the silver tees. So ngayon lang ulit yung blue. So subukan natin break 80 blue tees. Kaliwa. Nice putt, Mikey.
Yun. Nag-fade na.
Nagdaan talaga dyan. Yun! Okay, nice shot. That was a good tee shot. I'm left with 125 yards to the flag. slightly downwind. Hitting a 56 na lang kuya. Hitting a 56 degree wedge. Ano to? Diretso lang o kaliwa konti?
Kaliwa lang konti sir.
Kaliwa konti.
Nice shot sir. On. Yes, good shot.
Okay, right to left, 18 paces for birdie. Kung 18, plus 1? O regular lang?
Plus 1 ka lang sir.
Plus 1 lang. Okay.
Cute. Pat.
Alright, that was a good par for hole number 11. So hole number 12, it's playing 150 yards. Hitting a 9 iron. Currently 1 over. Ganda bro! Nag-bleed lang sa right. Go! 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 Oh, saktong-sakto. Ganda Mikey! Hole in 1! Sobra. With the wind din kasi. Patok.
Patong yan. Safe.
Safe lang pero right before. Parang pares tayo. Unfortunately, I think my ball rolled out so I needed to take a drop. This is to go up and down for a bogey. Kanan kuya?
Kanan sir, kanan. Ano yun? Mama sa marker. Mama.
Alright, hole number 13. That was okay na rin na up and down for bogey. So currently 2 over. Hole number 13 is 460 yards na par 5. First par 5 sa back 9. Playing with yan si Jonathan. Nice cut. Nice shot, Mikey. Okay.
Wala namang hangin. Parang ano.
Walang hangin pa kanya, no?
Before bro. Parang before.
Hi ate, shout out. Ano pangalan mo ate?
My name is Kate.
Kate. Ayan, kunin yung caddy din si ate Kate. Yung babae. 14 years ka na nagkakadi. Oh, 14 years na pala si ate Kate nagkakadi. Siguradong alam niya na ang green. At saka yung importante dito ate yung paghanap ng bola sa rough. Sanay daw si ate Kate dyan. Okay, for my second shot, I'm still left with 250 yards to the flag. Hopefully I can hit it in the fairway lang. Land it short. Basta, bahala na.
Shot. Good shot, sir.
Patong.
Patong mo. Yung patong.
Sobra, kaliwa. At least
Wala.
may green na.
Diretso lang.
Okay. Diretso lang, 17 yards. Went a little over. This is to go up and down, hopefully for a birdie to go 1 over. So diretso na lang, ano?
Yes. Nice pitch. In. Uy. Hindi lang.
Ay, we have this spot for birdie right inside. Firm na, no? Bakit? Regular lang. Kabig.
Kabig.
Nakabig ko, no? Okay, hole number 14. Sayang naman, hindi ko pa na birdie yun. Okay, playing hole 14 par 4, 432 yards. So, one of the more difficult holes in Villamar na ano, pwedeng hiramin. Kumanan. Galing! Nag-secret practice na naman to. Nice shot, brother.
Ay! Angat na naman?
Yun, solid. Biglang abot sa tubig ha.
Left with 160 yards for my second shot. Anong aim neto kuya? Kaliwa konti. Okay. Hitting a 9 iron.
Shot.
Uy, sobra pa rin.
Tama lang.
Ganun pa rin. Since last time I played here, sumusobra pa rin. Ah, yan na, with the wind. May konti, ano? Okay. This is to go up and down for a par. One grip, right to left. Medyo mabilis daw.
Dikit yan. Laki na.
Okay, Bryce for par with a new putting technique.
Oh, shoot yan.
Pasok. Nice spot, nakuha. Nice. Okay, binibenta ko pala tong video. Ay, ay hindi pala talaga.
Shot.
Okay, hole number 15. 369 yards. Palong 200 lang daw sabi ni Kuya Bong para fairway. Okay, hitting a 5 iron. Sana this is a good decision to do course management.
Shot. Yan, maganda yan. Hindi yun. Oh, tama lang.
Tumabit ba?
Hindi, sir.
Right, so for my ito nga pala, for my second shot, left with 170 yards. Slightly downwind, hitting an 8 iron.
Shot. Hangin, hindi yan abot. Go. Hindi na solid.
Sayang, just landed a little short. 11 yards. Right to left to Kuya Bong, ano?
Yes, sir.
Okay, to go up and down for par. Hopefully Chipinski.
Oh, kabig eh. Kabig.
Alright, hole number 16. I'm still currently 2 over. Hole 16 is a little bit dog leg right. It's playing 436 yards from the blue tees. Shout out pala kay ate. Yay! Hi! Ano pangalan mo ate? Ate Imelda. Good morning. Ilang years ka na ate nagkakadi?
14 years.
14 din? Parehas ka ni ate Kate. Magka-batch kayo? Mga magagaling na. Mga haligi na ng ano, ng Villamor. Ganda, Mikey. Good shot.
Ako, hindi nag-fade.
Get right. Okay, sir.
Andun lang yan, andun lang.
Nasa Villamor lang yan. Kaya kailangan kumanan lang. Okay, so playing my second shot. It's 180 yards to the flag. Slightly downwind. Hitting a 7 iron.
Yun. Yan, patong yan, sir. Ayun.
Gumulong palabas.
Grabe tigas yung green, ah.
Parang sa gitna na rin tayo nagturo, eh, no? Went over again. Sayang. 17 yards to the flag. So to cup. Maliit lang daw to left to right. Medyo mabagal. Okay. Ay, hina. Ang hina.
Hindi nga na nga.
Okay, Engineer Cass to go up and down for his par. Pasok, kuha na. Kuha na yung speed, di ba? Kuha na yung speed. At least kuha mo na yung speed.
Ay!
For birdie. Ayaw talaga. 12. Hole number 17. Sayang, unfortunate bogey. So I'm now currently 3 over. So it's playing 100. Hole 17 is playing 130 yards. Hitting a 50-degree wedge. So yeah.
Short yan.
Ay, stop bleeding. Stop turning. Delix.
Pigil sila eh. Yun, nice shot.
Ay, nag-bleed lang sa right.
Bike.
Tama na. Okay, okay, patoy. Baka safe naman yata. Ganda, Bryce. Patong. Short pa, hinangin. Good shot, brother. Okay, landed short. 26 yards. Ah, okay. Mga isang cup? Hindi naman. Dagdagan ko konti. Kailangan grip left to right. Mabagal. 26 yards.
Mabig. Tama lang distance.
Pasok na naman! Sayang, Mikey ah. I have that for par.
Lakas.
Tapang. Laylay nga eh. Yun, kuha. Good par. Alright, hole number 18. Another par 5 for handicap 14. 513 yards. Currently, I am, ano ba ako? 4 over na yata ako.
Yeah, okay, our practice paying off.
Good. Hey, going for it. Second shot left with 200 yards. Wind is slightly left to right. Hopefully the 5 iron is enough.
Shot. Oh, chacher. Grabing gulong naman nun.
Okay, unfortunately, sumobra na naman ako. Pero this is to go up and down hopefully for a birdie. Isang grip ang bigay mo? Okay, left to right 25 yards.
Ganda sana ng distance.
Birdieable. Makeable. Yun. Okay.
Nice birdie.
Alright, so to end the front sa first 9, I'm 3 over. So start of the front 9, 349 yards. Okay. Still on par to break 80, hopefully tuloy-tuloy.
Big right.
Cut! Oo nga eh. For my second shot, against the wind ba kuya? With? Okay, left with 95 yards to the flag. Might choke down a 60-degree wedge. Kaliwa konti, ano?
Yes, sir.
Hinamit ako, no? No?
Yun na nga.
Okay, Mikey. To go up and down for bogey na yata ata. Ganda. Bite. Hit the pin. Uy, sayang.
Uli.
Mahina!
Uy.
Back to back.
Ang ganda.
Na-push. Yun! Kuha! Uy! Oh. Ay, nakabig. Ay, bumigay! Okay, hole number 2. Dog leg right. Dog leg left the par 5. So, just laying up lang. Normally, you can play it here na shortcut if you can draw also the golf ball to cut the hole. Pero, hirap. So, I'm just laying up. Make it a 3-shot hole. Yun! Tawid! Buti na lang yan. Yun, sakto. Good shot, good cut.
Grabe naman yun, no?
Okay, ito hindi naman yun. Parang 20. Mababa yung percentage of rain today. Ganda! Beautiful! Nice shot! Very long par 5. So, alam ko 300 plus pa to. So, I'm just laying up right before the second water after this one, before those bunkers. So, I'm hitting a 6 iron.
Nice shot.
Okay, buti na lang safe. Left with 150 yards. Bahala na kung abot tong pitching wedge. Kaliwa, ano?
Kaliwa konti.
Ayun, umabot pa rin.
Dikit.
Buti nila. Ay, na-push. Okay, 6 paces for birdie. Ang bigay mo right inside na.
Yogi, go!
Tapos na naman.
Sayang naman.
Walang chance.
Dalawa na.
Nice one. Nice putt. Mr. One Putt Cast. Ganun din, parehong-pareho. Green, oh. Uy. Okay, hole number 3. Still, sayang naman yung birdie putt na naman. Short. Pero okay lang. 389 yards. Dog leg left. Mukhang dilim ah. Si Ate Kate muna magbi-video sa akin. Ipapasuyo ko. Para daw nasa vlog siya. Hi Ate Kate. Tala, tara, dumidilim na. Ayan o, hagdan natin. Malaglag ka pa dyan. Ayan. Si Ate Kate, ang aking other videographer. Ate, pasuyo naman. Dito lang sa likod.
Wow, nice shot.
Second shot, left with 100 yards to the flag. Slightly against the wind. So this can be a full 60-degree wedge. Hahanginin to eh, no?
Yes, sir.
Ay,
Tama na.
Ay, yung hinangin. View na lake. Diba? Ang laki ng hinangin. Ah, so regular lang. Okay. Sobrang lakas ng hangin. Landed short. Hopefully, up and down for a par. A little left lang daw ang aim.
Lakas yan.
Lakas?
That
was a terrible chip. I have this par putt. 6 paces. Right to left. Giving it 1 ball to the right.
Naabot mo. Ay!
Bumali sa dulo. Okay. Oo nga eh. Okay, back to 4 over. So playing hole number 4. Siguro around 100. I don't know. 100 something. 180 something. Pero it's against the wind. Si Jonathan. What's up, brother? Mambon, no? Rain or shine. Hole number 4 is playing 175 yards. 170 yards. Pero against the wind, so hopefully 7 iron is enough.
Shot. Tumiritso.
Hello, hirap. Di ba? Hindi.
Bunker.
Hindi, so hindi bumaba sa bunker. Ate, well daw, ate. Ano, no? Ayun, ganda Mikey. Bunkerots. Hindi, before. Oh, before. Ganda. Kanan lang. Bunker sa right of the bunker. Yun! Okay, lumabas na. Okay. Very difficult lie. Ayan yung bola ko. Uphill pa ganyan. 15 yards. Kakaliwa ito. Okay, bahala na.
Nice.
Bitin eh.
Dapat yan.
Pakimark, Bryce. Hindi, joke. That's good, brother. Cup. Palaylay yan, ano?
Parating lang.
Bali, laki ng binali.
Kulang kapos kamo siya.
Pang-apat?
Kapos.
Mga ganun siguro.
Kapos eh.
Ay, naku Luigi. Sayang. Okay. I am now, ay baka 5? Either 5 or 4, 5 or 6 over. So 393 yards. Dog leg right. Sobrang sa santol. Nahangin, no? Grabe yung aim na yun, ah. Kinabahan ako dun, bro.
Nice shot.
Very bad nag-OB yung first shot. So this is to go up and down for a bogey already. 170 yards. Okay naman. Hitting a 8 iron. An 8 iron.
Draw! Ay, shit.
Very unfortunate dito nag-carry. Ay, nag-bunker pa. 18 yards. Right to left ba ito, kuya? Kahit dito mo na kunin sa likod.
Nice out.
I have the spot for double bogey na. Mabilis. 6 paces. -1, kuya, o -2? -1. Gano'n kalaki sa kaliwa? 1 grip sa left. Come on, Luigi. This is to avoid the triple bogey.
Yun, nahuli din. Ay!
Ay, no, that was a very terrible triple bogey. I'm now 8 over. So for me to break 80, I need to birdie at least one of the 4 remaining holes. Tapos par everything. That is just to score a 79, which is a 7 over finish if ever. So I'm up for the challenge. Subukan natin with very difficult conditions kasi very thick ang fairway. It's been raining the couple of weeks, so hindi nila na-maintain masyado. So that's my excuse for today, but really it's the triple bogey. What do you think, coach? What should I do to go 1 under remaining last 4 holes?
Simple. Get a birdie and then remaining is par.
Okay.
Pars.
Kala ko sabi mo prayers.
Prayers.
Okay, kaya. Subok. Alright, so hole number 6, fairly short. Par 4, 277 yards. Hopefully, this should be the birdie hole dapat. Sana. So, subok. Ganda, Mikey. Buti na lang nahanap pa rin namin yung bola. Left with 125 yards to the flag. Slightly with the wind. Hopefully, this tree won't be a factor. Hitting a 56-degree wedge.
Liwa. Yun.
Laki ng dibot. Okay, left to right. 20 yards to the flag. Mga gano'ng kalaki sa kaliwa to? May isang grip pa di ba?
Kalating patir.
Ay, malaki nga. Okay, left to right. Medyo mabilis. Ay, mahina. Go!
ako sanay sa sandwich talaga.
Ayan. Okay, I need to make this more putt for my goal not to try to break 80 pa rin. One ball left. Left to right uphill. Firm ano?
Firm mo. Mahina. Takas.
Okay, hole number 7. Wala na. Nahirapan na ako lalo. I bogeyed the last hole, which is hole number 6. So, hole number 7. It's playing 100. Ano sinabi ko? 187. 187 yards. Baka either 6 or 5. Anong tingin mo, Kuya Bong? 5, 6? Ha? 6. Okay, 6 iron.
Shot.
Tama na. Nice shot.
Nice shot.
Kumanan lang. Huwag kang babunker. Safe, brother. Right before. Yun. It must be the golf ball. Yun. Okay. Carry. Okay. Sayang, went over. Parang it carried lang in front of the green. Pero magulong yung mga greens ngayon, ano? Matigas. Surprisingly. Okay, so for this birdie putt, it's 20 paces. Giving it one grip right to left. Mahina, Luigi.
Tama lang yan.
Okay na pala. Okay.
Tama lang. Test par.
Okay, hole number 8. Last par 5. 543 yards. Okay, I still need, ano na ba ako? 9 over? Tama ba? Oh, 9 over na pala ako. So I need to birdie the last 2 holes. Subok, Luigi. Okay. Subok. Game.
Nice. Okay, safe na safe.
Oh, 3 under. Okay, so playing again now with Engineer Mikey of Solar.
Yeah.
Brother, baka you want to do some shoutouts if they're looking for solar panels.
Yeah, if you're looking to install solar panels on your rooftop using Panasonic branded solar panels, go for Solar.
Yeah, so for grabe, ang layo ng hole number 8. I was very happy with that drive. Pero for my second shot, I'm still left with 300 yards. Since I'm aiming to break 80, alam ko hindi aabot ng 3 wood, pero try to hit it close na lang, hopefully.
Uy, kumanan.
Tumama?
Mabit.
Oo nga, ay, nako Luigi. Okay, let's see. It's 90 yards to the flag, pero no way of hitting it normally. So I'm just punching it out. So ang usapan namin ni Kuya Bong, paparampahin namin dito sa bunker. So mga tirang 70. Okay, bahala na. Tubok.
Hindi yan catcher, mahina yan. Oo, mahina.
Kinalungan lang ang aking punch. Left with 436 yards to the flag. Left right ba ito, Kuya Bong? Diretso na. Okay. Tirang 30.
Uy. Right. Bola.
Okay, that was a very difficult and ugly third shot. So this is to go up and down for a par. Tama, di ba? Okay, 20 yards. Diretso pa rin?
Yes, sir. Likod ng kanan.
Alit lang. Five paces. Kano kalaki sa kanan, Kuya?
Inside lang, sir.
Right inside na. Oops, sorry. Ako na. Okay, hole number 9. Wala na. Hindi ko na magagawa yung break 80. So another bogey. Last hole. Currently, I am 10 over. Playing 398 yards. And playing with new friend, Jonathan Ton. Good morning, brother. Ayan. Share mo naman, bro, what's your business?
Hi, I'm Jonathan Galanotan. I'm a painting contractor. I'm accredited by Boysen, Dutch Boy, and Davies. Our company name is JMGT Painting Services. And basta pintura kay Jonathan.
Yun, nice. Four!
Ayun, magaling mag-golf yun.
Oh. Tsaka ganda.
Nice. Doon sa may... Lumagpas ba doon? Lumagpas? Okay, lumagpas doon sa may bamboo.
Left with 90 yards for my second shot. Ito na naman tayo. Feeling ko sasabit dito yung 60 degrees ko. Pero bahala na. Might still choose to hit my 60 degree wedge. Maybe just choke it. Tapos ball behind my right foot. Or around my right foot.
Short talaga.
Okay, sayang. Just landed short. Mahirap kasi talaga. Had to choke, then put it behind my right foot. So left with 18 yards. Yan. Maraming salamat, Kuya Bong. Sana nag-enjoy ka sa pag-video. Yan, shout out kay Kuya Bong. 18 yards. Gano'n kalaki sa kaliwa, Kuya Jong? Ay, Jong tuloy, Kuya Bong. Sa gitna ng shadow.
Pasok. Pumasok. Uy! Okay, napapin.
Okay, par. Nakapar ulit, yay! Kala ko shoot na eh, sayang. Alright. Okay. And with a 10 over. Par. Ayos tong pattern ni Jonathan, no? May sarili siyang ano. Parang the Hammer of Thor. Nakas, napitik. Okay. Si Jonathan Thor and his hammer. Tinanggal mo, sayang. Nakalinya na ng kadi mo.
Yun, abot mo.
Yay! Hipan mo, bro. Hipan mo. Mikey, good round, partner. Good round, partner. Good round, partner. Kita tayo sa ano, kainan.
Sayang.
Nice spot. Yun, nakuha. Good round, brother. Good round, brother.
Thank you.
Yeah, good round. Super small world. Si Bryce and I used to play against each other in high school. So now we saw each other sa fellowship ni BJ. Bro, what do you do now?
Actually, we're modular cabinets contractor. So, kung sino dyan, meron kailangan na mga cabinets, kitchens, closets, walk-in closets. Yan, you can contact us.
Perfect. What's the name of the company, bro?
Modular.
Modular. Ayan.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Nice seeing you, Elit.
Nice seeing you, Ari.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, brother. Ayan, shout out sa aming mga kaddy. Kuya, maraming salamat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Ate Kate, thank you. Shout out si Ate Kate. Oh, nang bubola si ate. Oh. Thank you, Ate Kate. Thank you, sana nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you. Ay, sticker, bigyan ko kayo. Shout out ulit sa aking caddy. Sayang, dami kong minintis, pero tama lahat yung bigay ni Kuya Bong eh. May hina lang yung pat ko. Maraming salamat, Kuya Bong. Sana nag-enjoy ka. Thank you, thank you.
So this is our third. Some of you have been into the first and into the second. The third. And the third. So thank you so much. But
Nice shot.